You'd be amazed how many Mercedes end up at the dealership just because the key battery died. People think their cars are haunted. The 2009 Mercedes is notorious for this. When that fob stops responding, it's most likely the battery. You might be pressing the unlock button, nothing happens, and immediately a sinking feeling hits. The dashboard stays dark, the headlights ignore you, the universe shrugs. A dead key battery does that. It's almost always that, by the way. I've seen it 100 times. First, the good news. You don't need to be a rocket scientist or the son of a German engineer to swap this battery out. Mercedes made it simple, kind of the way IKEA makes bookshelves simple, except you don't need an Allen wrench. All you need is a small flathead screwdriver, some patience, and a new CR 2025 battery. That's the magic number, CR 2025, 2 for $4, practically everywhere. But remember, always buy name brand. Cheap batteries lose power faster than my motivation in February. Step 1. Flip the key over in your hand and look for that tiny silver switch near the edge. Slide it and with a gentle tug, pull out that little mechanical key blade. Fun fact, this is what your grandparents used to unlock their cars. Now, see that small slot at the end where the blade came out? That's your entry point. Take your flathead, wedge it in, and wiggle. The back cover pops open with a little snap. Dramatic, but not dangerous unless you force it. Pop the battery out, it's just sitting there, no wires, nothing weird. Take note of which side is up, usually positive side up. I made the mistake once, put it in upside down and thought I'd killed the key. Rookie move, Scott. Drop the new battery in, positive side facing out. You'll feel it settle like a coin in a vending machine. Then gently click the cover back in place, making sure it's flush and tight. Don't leave it half on or you'll get dust in there, and then things get weird. Slide the mechanical key blade back into its home until it clicks. At this stage, you might feel shockingly accomplished, considering you just outsmarted German automotive design in under 2 minutes. Mercedes would charge you $50 for this, by the way. Try the buttons. If the little red indicator light flashes, you've done it. The car should greet you with open arms again. Doors unlocking, trunk popping, all that. If not, check your battery orientation and try again. 90% of issues are just that. A few pro tips. Keep an extra CR 2025 in your glove box or even taped in your wallet. If the fob is finicky, even after new batteries, the contacts inside might need a careful cleaning with a Q-tip and rubbing alcohol. Just a little. This simple fix saves countless hours and dollars. 80% of my Mercedes doesn't recognize my key problems are battery related. You don't need a tow, you don't need a new key, you need 2 minutes and a $2 battery. That's the real hack.